From the American company that brings us heavy-duty tools and appliances, it's no surprise the BLACK+DECKER Air Fryer is another such appliance that is overbuilt to be durable and high-performing. In fact, it's the only one of a few air fryers that comes with a 2-year warranty. Can a pledge to a long-lasting appliance be met with a good cooking experience? In our testing, we all concluded with a definite yes. We found it to be an exceptional air fryer with chicken wings, chicken nuggets, drumsticks, hamburgers, onion rings, and chips, all being cooked evenly and having that sought-after crispy finish. We can thank the dual convection fans that circulate hot air evenly around the food. The fact that it is also a relatively small unit at a 2-pound capacity, don't expect to cook for more than 2 people, also contributes to each piece of food getting the airtime it deserves. Worried that your food might get burnt when you're not around? BLACK+DECKER has solved this problem thanks to an auto shutoff feature that turns the machine off when the timer expires. This unit comes with a mesh basket and divider so you can cook 2 portions of food at once. We also like that timer can be set up to 60 minutes, which is double that of other models such as the GoWise or Avalon Bay air fryer. On the top of the model, you'll find 2 indicator lights, one for when the air fryer is turned on and the other for when the preheat temperature is reached. This is a cool feature as it means you're only cooking at temperatures that you set rather than wasting time as it heats up. The accessories are fairly limited, but the cooking experience is one of the best we've seen, and at the end of the day, that's the most important factor.